Hey internet, today I am bringing you
Excuse me, you're doing too much.
The winter FabFitFun box. As you can see, the packaging has changed a little bit. They have gone a little bit more sustainably environmental. There's no more colors on the box, so I think they can reuse them. This is about a medium-sized box. Usually they come a little bit bigger, but let's take a peek inside and see what we got. I kind of have some idea because you do select some of the things that go inside, but if I can remember, that's another story. So as soon as you open the box, you see the logo again here, and you also get some just recyclable paper. And the first thing you usually see is the magazine, which usually tells you, they do a, I don't know if they do that anymore. They sponsor a charity. I'll take a look at this later to see if they actually do that still. They usually put it on the box. And then there's usually some fun goodies they put at the top. I think that's it for those. So this one is, oh my god, they give you a sticker. Cute, they've never done that before. Get the sticker. This one we already know we don't get, the wine one. The wine Bright Cellars is not available in Canada, so again we will just throw her away. You know, I've been really thinking about starting HelloFresh, so I might keep this one. This one gives you 9 free meals across 5 boxes and free shipping on your first box. I've been struggling a little bit with trying to find some creative ideas for food and like meal planning and stuff, and I think this would be a fun way to incorporate some new recipes and make it super easy at the same time. So I'm definitely gonna, I know it says Americas, but it is available in Canada as well. But I will definitely keep this to see if I can look more into it and start that. And finally we have, I do not know what this is. $15. Oh, this is just $15 off your first box. So this is the standard thing that I usually put in the description below. If you do want to get a FabFitFun box, look in the description below and you can get $15 off your first one, and that's a great savings. So let's actually start diving in. As you can see, I got my Christmas sweater on. It's my Christmas season. I tried to do Christmas makeup. I know it probably looks crazy, and when I was done, I said I look like Beetlejuice, so whatever, Beetlejuice vibes. So first thing I'm seeing here is a, oh my god, it's so cute. It's a daily facial brush. So it looks like that. I'm gonna actually take it out because I did not know that Clairsonic went under and they don't make their brushes anymore. And I don't think I recently just got one, but I definitely got mine pretty like recently. And yeah, now I can't get the brushes anymore, so this is a great like little alternative. Let's see if the bristles are so soft. I don't want to do it on my face because I have makeup on, but this is definitely a good alternative, and so you won't scrape up your skin. Sorry, it's a little bit bright, but there you go. Yeah, really soft little brush to put your cleanser on, and then you can just scrub it in. I like this a little bit better because it makes me feel like I'm exfoliating when not using like something crazy abrasive on my skin. So this is definitely a plus. I did not choose this. It's like a polisher, and the oh, there's different textures. You can see at the top there's different textures if you want to get maybe like a harder one, so maybe like men if they want to get in their beard really. It's by Daily Concept, so that's the first item. Next item we got here, it looks like a little lipstick. It's in a little bubble wrap. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner by Aesthetica. Let's see, it's very small, but that's good if you want to just throw it in your purse. Oh, cute. I'm not really a fan of liquid eyeliner because I'm not good at eyeliner, but you could use this for other things. Not sure what. Oh wow, it's very liquidy. Yeah, and it's very like the It's very pointed so that you can get really into the spot without smudging. I will try it, but again, like I said, I'm really scared because these kinds of things, it's really easy to make a mistake, and especially if you already did your full makeup, trying to take this off is very hard. But definitely something I will try for sure. Okay, let's pull out the next thing that we have here. Next thing I'm seeing is a company that I'm pretty familiar with. It is Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I was just talking about exfoliators, so you can actually use this with this and exfoliate your skin really well. Let's see. It's a pretty big container. This is probably like the regular size actually. So, Pore Perfecting Exfoliator helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of skin texture, which I could definitely use right now. I used a product that I used to use a long time ago, and it totally like screwed up my skin. So it's really, really bumpy, so we'll definitely try this. Oh, it's sealed. But yeah, this is the next thing that I pulled out. Let's see what we have next. I'm pulling out the last thing that I really, really like that I know I picked. I'll pull that out last. So this is, oh my god, it's a little card case, and I actually need another one of these, like really bad. I usually use this like Coach one that I've been using for like ever and ever and ever, like when I would go clubbing and stuff, and I still use it. And this is just a cute little case to put in your like pocket, so you don't have to actually like put a whole wallet. I'm not a fan of wallets, so oh my god, I love this. I'm definitely going to be using this. It has a little coin slot at the end. It's just like a cute little crocodile pattern. Yeah, if you can see inside there. Yeah, this is really, really nice. I don't think I selected this. This is probably just one of the things that comes in all the boxes. But yeah, this is really, really handy, and I'm really excited about it. So next we have, I think I chose this one, the Algenist. I know this is a good company. This is a Complete Eye Renewal Balm, Anti-Wrinkle. Pretty sure this is like really expensive too. Any kind of eye cream is like insanely expensive. Yeah, look at how tiny it is. How many milliliters it is? 15, which is pretty normal actually. So it's just a white cream. Very soft. Oh yeah, it feels really nice. Oh, I'll definitely be using this tonight after my shower. Avoid the eye area. Oh, apply. Apply to the eye area twice a day. Use only as directed. Twice a day. So I guess once in the morning, once at night. It's a nice glass little vial here, and yeah, this is a great way to get products that you wouldn't normally choose at like Sephora and stuff, just to try. And if you do like them, you can rebuy them. So next thing I have is, I do not know. Revitalizing Eye Gels by Butanique Beauty. Oh, these are probably like eye masks. I'm just gonna open one to see. Oh, this is gonna be very hard. Let's see if I can open this. I'm pretty sure it's eye masks. They usually give you eye masks around winter because, oh my god, I can't open it. Yeah, so there's just eye masks. Sorry, that was a really long struggle. But they give you 4 eye masks in here. What I like to do with these is put them in the fridge for a little bit before you're going to use them, and then they're nice and cold on your eyes. Trying to see what it actually does. Oh, so ingredients, there's cucumber, rose extract, green tea. This is for tired and overworked eyes that have seen too many late nights. So this is good for people that are working from home, actually. If you're on the computer a lot, putting these under your eyes at the end of the day will really, really help. Really, really feel nice. I never heard of this brand either. Okay, next we have, I think, 2 more items. This is from Kate Spade. Are these just socks? Oh my god, they're so cute. They're Kate Spade socks. I'm gonna take them out of the bag. Wow, 2 pairs of socks. They have the little bumpy things at the bottom so that you don't slide around. They're like ankle socks, like peekaboo socks. These are very, very cute. And they have the little spade on them. They're bar socks. Oh, they're bar socks for like doing like bar classes. So they're like almost like ballet socks. Oh my god, so cute. But you can definitely wear them as just regular socks as well. I did not pick this. This was just something that came in the box as well. And speaking of Kate Spade, the last item that I know I chose and that I was really scared was going to sell out when I was choosing, so I made sure I chose right away, were these Kate Spade earrings. I'm actually going to, I'll show you them and then I'm going to put them on. Oh, they're a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be. But here they are. They're diamonds and then they're pearls. So I might actually only put on 1 pair because I have 3 holes on each side and I only have 1 earring in right now. So let me put these on and see what they look like. Yeah, so here they are. Let me get a little bit closer. Actually, I might just zoom. There is the diamond. This is my Pandora that my mom got me, but there's the diamond. Yeah, they're a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be because I have another hole here that I don't think it'll fit. I'm gonna actually switch these two so that this is at the bottom and this is at the top. Here's the other side. These are really freaking pretty. And when I was putting them on, I was looking at the back. Let me zoom out, yikes. Ah. Yeah, so when I was putting them on, I looked at the back and it literally says these were 68 US. So that right there pays for these right here pay for my entire box already. So there's, yeah, $78 Canadian it says there too. That's the price of the box, like, and more for just 2 pairs of earrings. So you get a lot of value with everything that you get when you get the FabFitFun box. So like I said, if you really want to try this for the new year, look in the description down below for my 15% off your first box and try it out yourself. You get a lot of things that you get to try, like I said. I'm really excited for this thing actually, which is really weird because it's just a tiny brush. But yeah, that's all I have for today, and Merry Christmas everyone. If you like the content that you're seeing here, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification down below and stay curious.